Welcome back to the Level Up series. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn one prompt into a fully edited, production-ready video in just minutes. And how we do that is with the HeyGen Video Agent. So Video Agent recently got an upgrade. Now it's even higher quality and a more powerful version of what existed before. So we're going to head over to HeyGen.com and navigate to the Video Agent tab. This is where the magic begins. Here, you can choose an avatar or your digital twin. You can describe the avatar you want or keep it as narration only. And if you even have a specific photo you want to use as your avatar, you can upload it here as well. Next, in this prompt box, type and describe the video that you want to create. Create me an explainer video for using AI. Create a social video talking about blank. Once you know the video that you want, you can add as much detail as you want in the chat. For example, Scene 1, the avatar is speaking to camera and motion graphics overlay in front of him. Scene 2, show realistic B-roll of a person typing on their computer. Scene 3, add some motion graphics highlighting the script, and so on and so forth. I like to add a bit more detail in the chat, like keep the motion graphics clean and minimalistic, use this color scheme, and then I'll paste our brand colors. I'll also add things like the B-roll throughout. The video should feel realistic. If there are any assets that you want to include in your video, you can add them here. Photos, video, presentations, anything. The Video Agent will understand them and apply them to your video in just the right spot. Now you are ready for the final steps. Here, choose your desired duration from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Choose your orientation, portrait for social videos or landscape for long form, and then that's it. You hit generate. Video Agent will plan the story, the visuals, and show you a full blueprint of how the video will look. And then just a few minutes, your video will be ready. After it's generated, you can watch the video, and if there's anything you want to change, just chat with the agent and it will make the adjustments and then regenerate. Video Agent creates fully editable and production-ready videos with just one prompt. Go make a video for free today on HeyGen.